Welcome to Process Control and Audit for Metal Stamping. Ready to unveil the secrets of flawless production? Look no further. This course offers expert auditing techniques and bonus spray painting expertise. In the main course, we'll dive into the world of metal stamping, exploring everything from basics of stamping die to the intricacies of process audit. Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. With a comprehensive quality process audit checklist in Excel format, meticulously crafted by industrious experts, you will master 96 process control points across the 7 key areas from incoming material control to stamping machine operations. You will learn to ensure consistently high quality outputs every time. And that's not all. As a bonus, gain invaluable insights into the spray painting process. Learn about paint composition, spray painting techniques, and conduct thorough audits using our checklist. With this added expertise, you will be equipped to tackle every aspect of the production process control with confidence. QPA checklist in Excel format, where it is divided into 6 sections from incoming inspection, stamping process setup, machine die operator, and process output, with a total of more than 94 questions to evaluate the stamping process. I will also go through all the questions which will enhance your understanding in the process control that is needed in stamping. You can use the QPA checklist as it is or modify to your needs. In the bonus spray painting section, there is also a detailed audit checklist provided with 148 questions from incoming materials, paint mixing, cleaning, painting, curing, rework to process output control, which is also in Excel format. This course has a 2-hour plus on-demand video which you can access on mobile device, means you can take the course anywhere. A full lifetime access where you will get my future updates and a certificate of completion from Udemy. Unlock the expertise in metal stamping and spray painting with a modest investment. Elevate your skills and thrive in manufacturing. Don't delay. Click on the Buy Now button and start your journey towards mastery.